Welcome to this explainer. Look, if you're a corporate executive trying to navigate today's wildly shifting tech landscape, you already know that artificial intelligence, well, it isn't just some buzzword anymore. It's the absolute reality of your balance sheet. Today, we're bringing you a strategic briefing on the objective business impacts of AI. We are going to weigh those undeniable efficiency gains right up against the very real workforce costs and hidden liabilities that are literally keeping leaders up at night.
It's the ultimate question, isn't it? Is AI your company's best friend, or is it your biggest threat? Because the truth is, this technology is already fundamentally changing how we work, how your customers shop, how people learn, and yeah, even how they date. It's an unavoidable force. So the question we really need to answer is this: is it helping us build better companies, or is it hurting us in ways we just can't fully measure yet?
Okay, let's dive right into this. To give you a clear, actionable picture today, we've structured this briefing into 5 key areas. First, the AI business reality. Second, long-term efficiency gains. Third, workforce reduction in costs. Fourth, hidden risks and liabilities. And finally, the executive dilemma.
Section 1. The AI business reality. From science fiction to operational necessity.
You know, it really wasn't that long ago that AI felt like this crazy, futuristic concept straight out of a sci-fi movie. But today, it is an active operational engine across incredibly diverse sectors. It's optimizing our daily communications, advancing medical diagnostics, automating complex logistics, and even generating creative assets. But most importantly for your bottom line, it is fundamentally restructuring jobs. And right now, there's a massive split in how this is viewed across the corporate world. Some leaders see it as absolutely amazing, literally the ultimate tool for scalability, while others, they're deeply concerned, arguing it's moving way too fast for organizations to safely adapt. Section 2. Long-term efficiency gains, speed, data, and output. Now, this is the upside of our balance sheet, and it's exactly why businesses are so eager to adopt these tools. But we're not just talking about cool tech here. We are talking about massive margin improvements and scalability. AI's true superpower lies in its ability to parse absolute mountains of data in mere seconds, a feat that is simply faster than any human workforce could ever pull off. And we're seeing this generate substantial capital value right now. Financial institutions are using it to spot complex fraud instantly, which protects millions in revenue. Over in healthcare, it's driving efficiencies by catching early signs of disease or assisting in precision surgery. It's even optimizing infrastructure, like routing traffic before jams happen, or perfectly personalizing consumer choices at scale to drive retention.
Honestly, think of it like a super fast assistant that just never gets tired. It handles all those repetitive, low-value tasks with incredible speed, which frees up your human capital for higher-level strategic thinking. From automated logistics to advanced customer service platforms, it adds immense operational convenience. And crucially, it doesn't just replace human effort. It provides powerful new tools to boost output, helping teams design, code, and execute strategies far faster than our historical baselines.
Section 3. Workforce reduction and costs. The human price of speed. Now, what's really interesting about this is that for all that speed and efficiency, there's a very real human price. And if you are worried about the immediate job market impacts within your organization, this right here is where you need to focus. Look at this number, 9,000. That is the staggering number of employees that Microsoft laid off in 2024 alone. And what makes that number absolutely critical for our analysis is what happened at the exact same time. While executing those layoffs, Microsoft was simultaneously reallocating massive amounts of capital directly into AI infrastructure. So, job losses from AI, they aren't some future theory, they are a current economic reality. And this perfectly illustrates the core tension you face as an executive. On one side of the scale, you have the promise of faster, cheaper output. AI can now handle writing, coding, and customer service at a mere fraction of traditional operational costs. But then, on the other side of that exact same scale, are the direct job losses and structural layoffs. And hey, it's not just Microsoft. Major players across the board, IBM, Google, Amazon, they've all made similar strategic capital reallocations. As a leader, you are constantly forced to compare these long-term efficiency gains against the immediate, tangible, and honestly, often painful costs of workforce reduction. Section 4. Hidden risks and liabilities. Bias, data, and security.
Beyond the workforce disruption, this rapid AI integration brings some serious systemic corporate liabilities that you simply cannot afford to ignore. There are three major corporate risks unfolding right now. First up, data bias. AI learns from historical data, right? So if that data is biased, the algorithm becomes biased. We're already seeing automated hiring tools reject applicants based on age or gender, and facial recognition failing on darker skin tones, which creates immediate legal and ethical exposure. Second is privacy. AI constantly tracks search habits, watch times, and voice data, often using that info in ways users never explicitly authorized. You're not just using these platforms, your data is actively feeding them. Finally, security. AI can now generate indistinguishable fake voices and videos. Bad actors are actively using this tech to bypass corporate security protocols and even create deepfakes to manipulate public markets.
So, the crucial point here is that beyond the data and security risks, there is a massive hidden cost to your company's culture. And I think it's perfectly captured by this question: where do I fit in if AI can do everything? Employee morale is taking a significant hit. Dedicated workers feel like their years of hard-earned expertise are just being replaced by an algorithm. Creatives feel their distinct skills are just being scraped and copied by machines. And even at the entry level, junior talent is unsure how to add value when the basic tasks they typically use to learn the ropes are fully automated.
Section 5. The Executive Dilemma, Balancing Progress and Responsibility.
As a leader, you are navigating an incredibly polarized environment right now. I mean, within your own company today, you likely have employees saying, AI helps me do my job better. I love it. They feel empowered, they feel more productive, but literally sitting right next to them are people saying, my company replaced my team with a chatbot. I'm scared for the future. Genuine excitement and complete powerlessness are existing side by side in your org chart. Managers are worrying about intellectual property, workers are terrified of being structurally left behind, and almost everyone is desperately looking to leadership for clear frameworks to keep this transition manageable. And let me tell you, it is a complicated tightrope to walk, especially when even the biggest advocates and creators of this technology recognize the stakes. Tech leaders like Elon Musk and Sam Altman have openly warned that AI could get out of control if we aren't careful. When the very architects of the technology are sounding the alarm on massive systemic risks, well, the executive's job of finding a safe, highly profitable balance becomes incredibly complex. Ready or not, AI is already changing the world. It's fundamentally altering how we do business and how we allocate our human capital. The only question left to answer is, are you ready? Thank you so much for joining me for this briefing. If this objective breakdown helped you see the bigger picture regarding long-term efficiency gains versus those immediate workforce costs, I highly encourage you to share this explainer with your fellow leaders and colleagues who are navigating this exact same AI transition. See you next time.